The 180-degree rule. The 180-degree rule is the restricting of camera movement when filming a movie or TV program because it will create confusion in the audience. As seen on the diagram, two people are having a conversation. In between these two people is a line. This line is called the line of action or the axis of action. When filming, the cinematographer is restricted from going over the line of action because it may confuse the audience, as seen by the camera. Spatial awareness. Spatial awareness is a fundamental part in the 180-degree rule. It allows the audience to understand where the characters are in relation to each other, therefore enabling the audience to understand the staging of the scene without having to see the whole set. To explain this further, here is my example of following the 180-degree rule. As you can see, Tim is facing towards Giles and Giles is facing towards Tim. Tim is facing towards the right and Giles is facing towards the left. This gives the sense of spatial awareness, therefore not disorienting the audience. Some major films also follow this rule. The film Pulp Fiction, directed by Quentin Tarantino in 1995, uses the 180-degree rule. In this sequence, Samuel L. Jackson's character, Jules Winfield, is having a conversation with actor Frank Whaley as Brett. Jules Winfield is looking downwards and to the right. Brett is looking upwards and to the left. Because the camera angles stay within the range of the line of action, the audience can understand where the characters are in this room. Some films may not follow the 180-degree rule. The film JFK, directed by Oliver Stone in 1991, presents to us an example of breaking the 180-degree rule while being used effectively. In this sequence, the character Harry Lee Oswald, acted by Gary Oldman, makes a desperate run for his life after just killing the president. The use of breaking the 180-degree rule is effective because it creates disorientation and connotes how the character is trying to flee from the authorities but has no sense of direction.